Welcome to the Quantum Collective.
Chicken Saag. This is the recipe I've been working on for a while. Been tweaking it by Dogstickfetch, that's me. All right, let's get right into it. What is saag? It's an Indian dish with a leafy green base and awesome spices. You might have had this at an Indian restaurant. For mine, I just used spinach. Here goes the recipe. All right? All right? Screenshot it. And here's the steps. Okay, 4 easy steps. It's not too crazy. All right, you can do step 1 and step 2 at the exact same time. If you have a pot and a pan, just do it. The only reason I'm showing you this is because it's unbelievable just how much spinach cooks down in 10 minutes of being steamed. Look at that. That whole pot is full to the brim. No, I'm not weird, you're weird, okay? Shut up. No, look at this. Look at that. Look, that whole pot was full. Will it blend? Huh? Yes, it will, just fine. It's in the steps, it's what you do. You blend it. Okay? Nice and fine. Chop it up, real good. Yeah. No, set it to the side. Chicken thighs. Trim the fat, chop them up. Get you some oil now. Heat it up now. Get it all nice and hot like. Try to evenly distribute it across the pan. Curry the chicken. Curry the chicken! Did you hear what I said? You're gonna sprinkle the curry all over that chicken. Was that enough? No. Was that enough? No. Was that enough? No. A little more. Get that curry all over that chicken. You want it to look like this. This looks good. Yellow. Set it to the side. 2 onions. Chop them up. Take a bad picture and leave it in the video anyway. Get a pan, get your onions, garlic, ginger. While they're cooking down, assemble your spices. Coriander, cayenne, turmeric, cardamom, cumin, and cloves, and salt. Stir in your spices. Isn't that pretty? And now stir in your tomatoes! Next comes the milk. Now you bring all that chicken back. Oh yeah, look at all that goodness. Get all the goodness in there too. Don't leave the goodness. This is coming together. I'm about to put a lid on it. Bring it just to a boil. Put a lid on that bad boy and cut the heat. Down to low. Did I say down to low? I meant down to low. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's looking amazing. And now you bring the spinach back in. I muted this for your benefit because spinach makes a noise when it's slapping down in there, all right? Just bring the spinach back. Fold it on in. I'm about to sprinkle in some garam marsala. It's in the steps. It's just in like 16x. Cook it down for about 15 minutes. Pro tip, if you're about towards the end and it feels a little dull, just add some salt. It brings it to life. I failed to film the last step, but you're going to add in the sour cream, bring it just to a simmer, cut the heat, stir in the butter. It turns out amazing. Serve it with naan bread if you can. If not, serve it with some basmati rice or brown rice. Hey! Subscribe if you want, or don't, I don't care.